Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNET. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $3.10. Why 310? Well, this just comes back to a foundational rule in charting, which states when former areas of resistance. So right here, you can see that area acted as resistance are broken. You want to see them act as support, and it was very clearly broken today with a gap up above it. And the price is close, but so far so good. The price is is currently holding up above that level. Now, again, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 310, am I saying the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above there, that would be the ideal situation. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture type viewpoint, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very simplistic but highly effective way of gauging the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, stand up above 310 would be ideal, but from the big picture of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In the event of any sort of bounce back to the upside, shorter term level of resistance right there at about $3.40, and then more so kind of an overall level of resistance right up there at the top of that little miniature channel at about $3.70. All in all, though, the movement has been solid. It's pulled back a little bit right now, but from big picture, the bulls do still have a chance to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can progress forward or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.